you're going to sing, so I don't have to. And if you want to, I don't know if you have much room, we thought you could dance. It's a line dance.
It's a lot.
Not a lot of room here, but if you want to, go for it.
Oh,
But definitely sing.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
When the red, red robin goes bob, bob, bobbing along, along, there'll be no more sobbing when he starts drumming his old sweet song. Wake up, you sleepyhead, get up, get up, get out of bed, cheer up, the sun is red, live, love, laugh and be happy. What if I was blue? Now I'm walking through fields of flowers. Rain may glisten, but still I listen for hours and hours. I'm just a kid again, doing what I did again, singing a song. When the red, red robin goes bob, bob, bobbing along. Hey, that was good job.
Well, you know, people have of all ages watched birds, but older folks certainly love birding, as bird watching is correctly called. You know, birding is the fastest growing outdoor activity in America. Did you know that? According to a survey by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, which I read every day, 51.3 million Americans report that they watch birds.
Well, there wasn't much to do during the pandemic, Peggy.
Oh, well, you know, historically, birds were considered to be omens. The ancient Romans believed that the flights and calls of birds could foretell the future.
I think it's cool that they fly. And sing. And lay eggs.
All right, let's get back to the list. Why don't you write hobbies on?
Oh, good idea. How about more time for hobbies?
Oh, yeah. You know, hobbies offer many benefits to us seniors. Socialization, stress relief, mental challenges. Definitely. More time, come on, for, keep it up, hobbies.
Because hobbies are fun.
Okay.
She always has to bring
All that
fun
other
in.
stuff.
Fun!
Fun?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to say something right now?
Well, I don't know.
Because I don't know.
If you have something to say, I don't know.
I don't know. Can anybody give me a clue what I'm supposed to be saying right now? Because I am getting.
Well, I know
frustrated.
during the pandemic Home Alone winter, I got out my crewel needles and threads and I made some nice pillows. And then I started to press flowers.
Well, my family and I had some nice evenings with jigsaw puzzles.
Does anybody have any unusual hobbies?
You know, any like crocheting?
You guys
Knitting. Needlepoint?
Bridge players? Any bridge players? Crafts. Cards, not necessarily
What kind of cards?
Pickleball.
Ooh, I gotta learn that. House plants, anybody house?
House plants. Gardening?
Karate? Exercise, black and white photography, yoga and family genealogy, needlepoint, pickleball, and beekeeping. Rich life is one thing that hobbies can bring.
Library, book clubs, and building electronics, biking and hiking, computer robotics, beautiful roses grow, gardening.
Rich life is one thing that hobbies can bring.
Chess and glass blowing and world history, singing out songs as you do karaoke, butterflies, buttons, stamp collecting.
Rich life is one thing that hobbies can bring.
When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember the hobbies I've had.
Rich life is one thing that hobbies can bring. When the dawn bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember the hobbies I've had, and then I don't feel so
You know, I guess you can say there are a lot of hobbies.
Oh, and now we have more time to spend on them.
Yay!
You know what I feel bad about, Joe?
What?
We have nothing about family on our list.
Well, family is there at all stages of life, right? I mean, it doesn't just appear as we're aging.
Except for grandchildren.
Yes, that is.
Let's all show photos of our grandchildren.
No. But you can hold up a picture of your granddaughter after the show.
Well, they truly are the best. Let's hear it for grandkids.
How you doing?